¿Qué onda, Ali?
What you doing?
Installing
a ballast.
A ballistic. Oh, my truck's broke down. A few days ago, no quería, it didn't want to start well. Like, it would start, pero como que like if the battery was kind of low. And I just put a new battery not too long ago. So I drove somewhere, turned it off. I tried to restart it, ya no quiso prender. Empezó a oler a quemado. I came over here and I'm like, man, huele mucho quemado. Y pues aquí abajo está el starter. O estaba, ya lo quité. And se me quemó. So I had to go get another one. I didn't get to record any of the other stuff because I didn't have my camera in my truck. See, it's a new battery. Now I gotta put it back on. And hopefully that solves the issue. Here's the starter. Made in Malaysia. ¿Tú crees que sí va a durar esta madre, güey? Made in Malaysia. This is like $200. New, not remanufactured. So if you've never taken off a starter, it's not too hard actually. ¿Dónde está? Oh yeah, it was right here. Son dos tornillos que se quitan. Está este chiquitillo que va aquí, es un 8mm. Este es un 13. Ya se me olvidó cómo iba esta cosa. Ahorita I'll check it out again. It's kind of hard to see in here. Alright, ya está puesto. Now to get out of underneath here.
Ay, me caché costado.
Más tarde me estoy.
¿Cómo se fue, primo?
Va a salir todo.
¿Eh?
No, güey.
Capuchino cool.
Is it a time on my battery now? Try it.
Oh, son las arañitas.
No, son squids.
Yeah, they're just real clean.
Appreciate it. I've never washed it.
Sorry. We'll try one of them.
Eh?
Where do they sell them at?
Hold it.
Nomás dime.
A ver si prende, güey. Left me stranded.
Ahora sí, para no estar cuachando que.
Hey, de volada prendió la güey. I should have done this a long time ago.
Bye. What you got to say to the camera?
That it's finally working good now.
Hasta se me quitó el check engine light.
Yeah. What are the ones you had?
The watermelon. No, I had the squid ones. We got some candy in the store.
No, no son esos. Those are... Oh, son esos ya.
BS candy.
Ya, aquí están estos, sí. Oh, these fuckers are good. I guess it's squid, yeah.
Yeah.
¿Te gusta el gusano?
Seen Noah's little twin. Look, Bella. Who's that? That's Noah's brother.
Nah,
Mo.
nah.
That's Noe. That's
Big Mo.
Moe.
This is Big Mo. Go in the truck.
Romeo.
I got your stuff out right there.
Una más. El Noe rolling. El Big Noe. Hey, where are you from?
Huh?
¿De dónde eres tú, güey? Tu family. Tu family, güey.
No, family de Monterrey.
¿Del Valley?
¿Ah?
¿Del Valley? ¿Es that what you
No, de
said?
Monterrey.
De Monterrey.
Yeah.
Es regio el vato este.
Yeah.
What's going on, man? You wanna be on YouTube or what, man?
Nah, nah.
Oh, come on, you wanna be on it, man?
My wife be like, what you doing over there?
¿Vas para el cerro de la silla o qué, güey?
Que digo, pasaron la silla.
Digo, bien montado el cerro de la silla este, güey.
Yeah.
That's Eric Transmissions. If you need a transmission, hit him up.
Sí que my cut.
Y el Leo Noe Fades. Big Noe.
Big noise.
Esos son los cuates. ¿Te quedó, Romy?
Se quedó.
Yeah. Ahí, préndela. The key's inside. Yeah. Got big choice. F350 right here. And those pickups. I think he's cleaning up this part and painting it. Put the wheel back on really quick. I'm gonna try to flex in a bit. So that's it for today, guys. I haven't been able to really make any videos because I've been kind of busy, but I do want to make another one where I talk about something that I bought in California, but I don't know when I'm gonna be able to make it. But yeah, so this one I had to do it. Well, I had to fix my truck porque I need to drive it around, and the starter was already messing up. So good thing it happened to me somewhere where, like, it didn't leave me stranded somewhere. So that was a good thing, but it was like a pricey good thing. Anyway, thanks for watching and subscribe.